गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है श्याम शर्मा एंड वेलकम टू टाइमर्स ट्रैवल टॉक्स. I love to welcome you all with my open heart and bring the travel news, update and stories with you. Stories that are shared with you people so that you can start exploring, start seeing the people, seeing the culture out there in the world and start traveling. So, दोस्तों, कल हमने एक बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड किया था मिस्टर सुमित तिवारी के साथ. हमने टाइमर्स के प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में जानने की कोशिश की थी कि स्टोरी कहां से स्टार्ट हुई थी टाइमर्स के बैकपैक्स की. और सुमित तिवारी सर ने मिस्टर सुमित तिवारी ने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से एक्सप्लेन किया था हाउ द होल स्टोरी बिगेन, कहां से स्टार्ट हुआ और हम आज कहां खड़े हैं. So there are so many exciting things that are happening at Timeless Concepts, Timeless Lifestyle. So we are developing more than 80 designs of backpacks for the coming season. ये हमारा तोहफा है दुनिया को for restarting the world in a different style. So moving on guys, Timeless Travel Talks episode number 36 today. So we are going to continue our very popular series called Chalo Africa. So आज का टॉपिक है मेरे दोस्तों एक ऐसा डेस्टिनेशन जो कि ना ही सिर्फ एडवेंचर से भरा है, ना ही सिर्फ रिस्क से भरा है, और ये इतना ही एक्साइटमेंट से भी भरा है जितना कि बाकी चीजों से है. सो दोस्तों, द प्लेस दैट आई वांट टू डिस्कस विथ यू इज विक्टोरिया फॉल्स इन जिम्बाब्वे. यस दोस्तों, ये जिम्बाब्वे वही कंट्री है जिसके अगेंस्ट इंडिया क्रिकेट खेला करती थी. और दोस्तों ये विक्टोरिया फॉल्स एक ऐसी जगह है, एक ऐसा ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन है जिसके पास जाने के लिए पूरे दुनिया से लोग आते हैं. एंड यू नीड टू नॉट वरी अबाउट द सेफ्टी, द डेवलपमेंट. इट्स अ वेरी डेवलप्ड प्लेस and very safe place for solo travelers, solo backpackers, or even if you're just a traveler with a family. It's a very safe place and it's an exciting place to be. So Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe है क्या? Let me tell you guys, it is one of the biggest waterfalls in Africa altogether. और ये एक ऐसा waterfall है जहां पे 5 लाख cubic just let me check this, 5 lakh cubic meter of water falls in the gorge per second. Okay, so you can imagine कि किस फोर्स में पानी नीचे गिरता होगा, क्या होता होगा. But you can always go on YouTube and search for Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. So the best time to go to this waterfall is during rainy season, where you can witness the waterfall in full force. अगर आपको full force में witness नहीं करना है, so you can go on much drier season जहां पे waterfall reasonably कम होता है, but there are so many activities that can be done. So white river rafting is one of them, swimming in the rock pools is one of them, and this is one of the most exciting activities that is done by people. When I say exciting, it is exciting, but it is also very risky as well. So places ka you have to take care of the safety and you have to take care of your well-being. So कहने का मतलब ये है कि जब पानी का बहाव कम हो जाता है, when the flow is reasonably low in the Victoria Falls, what people tend to do is they go towards the cliff of this waterfall because पानी कम है, force कम रहता है. People go in the rock pool. Rock pool is known as the small pit जहाँ पे पानी जमा हो जाता है. People tend to enjoy there. So people enter in this waterfall and they enjoy their time being on the cliff. Yes दोस्तों, it is highly dangerous, highly risky. But if done properly, it is equally exciting. So yeah, I mean, I can, this is one of my dream destinations to be, Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. There are many other things that you can do during the heavy rain season. You can witness the waterfall in its full force. But आप और भी काम कर सकते हो. एक ब्रिज है जो इस वाटरफॉल और फॉल से आपको कनेक्ट करती है जाम्बिया कंट्री से. यस, so there's no visa required to go to Zambia from Zimbabwe. You can go on your foot. Another exciting thing for solo backpackers, solo travelers, just like me. And you can do few of these things at Victoria Falls. Now, moving on to our second destination. Guys, can I have a guess out there? Can you guess the place in the comment section, please? अगर आप guess करेंगे मेरा next destination in Africa within next 10 seconds, then I will give you a Timus backpack, Indigo Range backpack for free. So the time starts when I say now. The time starts then. So you have 10 seconds. Guess our next destination in next 10 seconds. Time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your time is up. जिसने भी comment किया, whoever has sent us a comment or has guessed the right destination will win a Timus Indigo backpack. Okay. So the second destination is, guys, none other than Giza, pyramids of Giza, the famous Giza pyramid of Africa, my friend, located in Egypt. Our Africa, Chalo Africa episode could not be completed without the pyramids, mentioning the pyramids. So actually, dosto, there are so many pyramids in Egypt and around the world, but we are going to talk specifically about the pyramids of Giza. Why? Because it is one of the most mysterious, one of the most old, and one of the most profound places, mysterious places in the world. Okay, so ये कुछ 5000 साल पहले की बात है दोस्तों, जब ये पिरामिड जब बनाए गए थे, और ये पिरामिड सिर्फ पत्थरों से ही बनाए गए हैं, बट पिछले 5000 साल में जितनी भी नेचुरल क्लैमिटीज आई हैं, ये पिरामिड अभी तक वहीं पे है और जैसा बनाया था वैसा ही है. यस, डीकेज हुए हैं स्ट्रक्चर में, थोड़ा बहुत वेयर एंड टेयर हुआ है, बट 5000 साल से दोस्तों ये पिरामिड वहीं लोकेटेड है. चाहे वो उस टाइम पे काफी फलती फूलती सिविलाइजेशन थी, फराओ ने इस पिरामिड को बनवाया है. सो उस टाइम में बाढ़ आया है, भूकंप आया है, या कुछ भी आया है, ये पिरामिड वहां से बर्बाद नहीं हुआ है, ये वहीं रहा है. सो काफी सारी मिस्ट्रीज भी इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. आपने अगर हॉलीवुड मूवीज देखी होंगी तो काफी मूवीज में इन पिरामिड्स को बार बार दिखाया गया है, फॉर द सेम रीजन दैट आई एम मेंशनिंग. मिस्टीरियस प्लेस एंड एन अमेजिंग प्लेस टू विजिट. It's a very, very popular destination since last 5,000 years. It's been there, very popular destination, and it is 20 kilometers outside of the city of Giza, and it was built by it is built in Saqqara. So yeah, it is called Step Pyramid. Okay, now it is about 9 kilometers away from Nile River and 13 kilometers southwest of Cairo. So built in 2580 to 2560 BC, करीब 400,000 men were used to build this pyramid for 20 continuous years. The pyramid is about 140 meters high, and it is spread in 16,203 hectares of area. So दोस्तों, क्या आप एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं द मिस्टीरियस पिरामिड, और क्या आप एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं विक्टोरिया फॉल्स, द रिस्की, द एडवेंचरस, द एक्साइटिंग विक्टोरिया फॉल्स? Which one is your favorite destination? Okay, and why it is your favorite destination? You can tell us in the comment section. We'll have another offer for you. So whoever sends us a comment within 15 seconds, and your time starts now, I'll give you a Timus backpack. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. The time is ticking up, guys. Thank you so much. The time is up. Thank you so much for your contribution, my friends. Thank you so much for watching us live, for supporting us, for supporting Timers Travel Talks. And it was episode number 36. So tomorrow we'll see you again. Until and unless then, Shyam Sharma says goodbye. Bye-bye.